Here we are again, next bait. Check my line. I always try to retie after a big fish. I got excited a second ago and didn't retie. Didn't retie again right then. Again, Olaf, Shakespeare. Appreciate you, Shakespeare. Hint, hint. What can I say? Proof's in the pudding here. Let's get back out here and see what we can do. That is one thing I forgot that I was going to try to do. I was going to try to measure these fish also, but I haven't had a chance to measure them. And I'm on again. Let me give it some line and let it take that big shad. I think I might have. I don't think I got a good hook set on it. Nope, came off. But wait, sometimes they'll come back and eat it. Like so. I told you. I said I got a major problem with this setting the hook with this thing. Come on, baby. Try to get a fresh bait out there. Maybe I didn't stick him too good. Alright. Alright, fingers crossed, folks. Maybe we'll get us another one here real quick. Alright, I've drifted into the danger zone in here. There it is. He just came up and busted it on top. I don't know if he got it. Fish on. I'm about to swing on. I missed it. I'm getting excited, I guess. Yeah. Alright, fish number 3. I don't feel like one's much bigger. Coming up. Again, the grip on this thing, Shakespeare, can y'all work on that? Because it's slippery when your hands are wet. Again, we're going to walk back to the bank, so just bear with us on the shaky camera. It's coming right back up the same way that one did. Not seen this fish jump at all yet, so I don't know. And again, it feels like a solid 5. If by Olaf fishing rod standards. I didn't see that. It was a good one. I know I ain't gonna be able to work tonight. My hand will be cramped up. Petty 2 or 3 pounder. Oh my goodness. We got a surprise here though, folks. We got a surprise. That's a small jaw, boys. So, anyway, small jaw. Next one on the list here. Let's see how much this bad boy weighs, and we're going to bring in our total. That's a definite keeper. So, let me get these twists out, because what happens is when you hear that drag zipping and I'm reeling, I'm creating twists in my line, so that's not good. So let's get this thing weighed in. Now I'm excited because I've not caught any smallmouth down there this year, hardly at all. I've only caught like 1 or 2. All right, we're getting the weight. Look at the gut on that thing though. 315, so that's 1 ounce off of 4 pounds. So there we go. And again, I know this is getting repetitive, but we're gonna let it go. Just like, you know, like whoever, whatever else or whoever said. There we go. And like I said, you gotta get down underneath them and tickle their hiney hole, and shoot, they'll take off. All right, 3 fish, 7, 5, 4. So basic math, that's 16 pounds. I hope that's right. So anyway, folks, we'll be right back.